Cale nganaye ukuthi iPAC ayibambise live phela, ayibambise iParliament ayibambise yona. Kunama reports lentiwe lendle Mr Speaker. I'm one person who was very vocal 2013-2018. Ngibona umonakalo, kunemonakalo la. But usumbuto vele ingafuna ngimne report le cabinet ukuthi vele ayibuye vele public isenje Mr Speaker. Ngeke sicunungusa Mr Speaker. Bekuthiwa kunemkhuhlane sokubona sokukhomba. Satha kuphenywe Mr Speaker. And I'm happy ukuthi ngakuphenywe Mr Speaker. But the report iPAC ayisilethe nayo ayimfuqi finance minister iParliament ukuthi ayitheblishe wonke umuntu uthi ufuna ukukhuluma ngakho but sekuphenyiwe and we have spent imali to do forensic audit and vele lapho kona sibona kwa ukuthi vele clearingly konakele bekugango but seyikhona ireport ihlele emashelfini and now ubuka la iPAC lekhona lephandle lekhona siyawuphuma sisemakhaya solo ihlele emashelfini le report le ayingiyadi but I know ukuthi nemagama ebandla noma inema systems failures ifanele siside silive but we're not brave enough ukuthi ayibuye phela sesisolile sekugangwa sasakuhlola sekuhloliwe iphi phela lamuhla che ukhuluma ngamphanze Mbanzini Mbadlane Road uthi ekhala Auditor General but bakhona nanyalo bathi kufuna kubukwe tabuka kuzabe nginini same people kuleli veleli labena ukuthi kungasebenzeki lahlekete imali is the very same people abaphinze bathole imisebenzi is the very same people abaphinze bathole ama positions Mr Speaker and liqiniso lithi Mr Speaker leli venge liyenzawo leli Mr Speaker masaqhubeka kanje and iParliament is the only hope yemaswati because athi ukuthi umthethosisekelo abhale emaswati ukuthi iParliament yona oversight mina ungangibuta la mhla na ufuna uthi ukhuluma ini uma ule cabinet anibisingana nama reports definitely oversight kini bahlonishwa naningadifune intfola kithi angeke tide and atawukhala ngane emaswati ngifuna ukucela Mr Speaker lokuthi asesibeni strong enough ukuthi simele maciniso